Here's the one we worked on. Here's the original. Now, typically, this one is going to be on top, so you really don't have to expand it. You can just click on it right here, right-click and open. I want a vignette darker or a lighter, kind of around the edges. And the easiest way to do that actually is through guided mode, but I want to show you two ways. Let's start with guided. Come over here and click guided. And I'm going to close the photo bin, and I'm also going to do something else. I'm going to change our view. We don't do that often, and we should. I'm going to go into before and after. Now, come over here, and you'll see something called Vignette Effect. Select it. That's very straightforward. Here's a before and after on him. Black or white vignette, what do you want? I want black, I click here. I want white, I click here. I think both are actually kind of cool. But let's go back to black. Now, every time you click it, it will get darker. You can also change the intensity right here. And if you click Refine Shape, you can, well, change the shape. Up to you. Now, if you like it, those are your options. Click Done. Let's go back into Expert. Now, you can see what it did. It created two layers, levels and the image with a layer mask. Let's go ahead and get rid of these and do it another way. Let me go ahead and just drag these up here, the trash can. And we're back to the original that we did. Now, create a brand new layer directly above here. Pick up your rectangular marquee tool. Now, I'm going to draw a rectangle like that, and giving it some room on the edges, obviously. Now, I want to fill those edges with black, but I can't because I don't have them selected. So I'm going to go up to the word Select on the pull-down menu and go down to Inverse. Now, don't forget the shortcut. To fill an area with the current foreground color, on a Macintosh, Option Delete. In Windows, Alt Backspace. All right, there we go, in a separate layer. Two things to do to achieve your own customized border. Number one, go up to the word Filter on the pull-down menu and go down into Blur and select Gaussian Blur. And give that thing one heck of a blur. Click OK. Now, lower the opacity unless you want it like that. Lower the opacity so it's not quite so intense. The thing I like about doing it this way is that I can control the shape. It's not going to be basically more of an oval or round. I could use any shape that I want as I draw it in a layer, use an opacity setting less than 100%, obviously, and use Gaussian blur to kind of mix it in, and you've got total control. Tell you what, let's save it again. Click here. And again, it's not going to let us get by without asking. Let's click Save. Edited 2. We already have a 1. It's in 11. Exactly where I want it. Just click Save. Well, there you go.